Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Fedora Linux 41. Open any web browser, but the process is same on all Fedora Linux versions. Okay, first go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest version is 17.2. Click on download, click on Linux, then click on Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. Then see here, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle and Fedora. Okay, select the version 17, select the platform. See, the supported Fedora versions, OS versions are 39, 40 and 41. So I am on 41. If you are on 41, select 40. If you are on 39, select 39. Okay, 41. See, these are the list of the commands that needs to be installed to install PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora Linux 41. If you want to install 16, see, command will be changed. Only 16 will be. Okay, so select the 17. Now first install this repository RPM. Copy it. Open terminal. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Now install the PostgreSQL by running this command: sudo dnf install, then PostgreSQL 17-server. Hit enter. Type and hit enter again. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17 and it is going to also install these two dependencies. So totally it is going to install 3 packages. It is just confirmation, give Y and hit enter again. Confirmation. Everything done. Now we have to initialize the database. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. It is initializing the database. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL, give the tab. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server, but it is not started and disabled. Give to quit. So we have to run these commands. First, this command will enable the PostgreSQL 17 service, and this will start the service. So just replace the status with enable. Hit enter again. Start by replacing this enable. Now verify again. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. See here 17.2, but this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is PSQL client version. So to verify the version of the PostgreSQL server that we have installed on Fedora, run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2 on Fedora Linux. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then provide the password for this Postgres user. It is done. Create databases. First verify list of databases \l. See, these are the default databases come with PostgreSQL installation. So let us create a database. See, we have successfully created database. Again verify. See, new database is there. See here. Okay, now switch to this new database by using \c or connect. Both are same. Then give the database name. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. So let us verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table and insert some data into this table. Now verify. See, we have created table customer and one is Postgres and it is created in public schema. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. Okay, now create a user. Create user James with password. Now we will connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. Exit PSQL -u, it is caps u, James -h localhost -d Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. It is password wrong. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user, current underscore user. See, I have successfully connected to with the new user. Control L. If you want to exit, you exit. Now we are going to see how to start and restart PostgreSQL on Fedora Linux. Now start sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL, give the tab, hit enter. See, we have successfully stopped. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Okay, click to quit. Now start it again. Now verify the status. It is successfully started. See, we have successfully started 3 seconds ago. See, these are the list of the background processes running, and this is the data directory, and this is the bin directory. Q to quit. Last option is restart. Restart. We have successfully restart. Now connect to PostgreSQL and we will see list of the files like config and data directory locations. PSQL show config underscore file. See, this file contains PostgreSQL server configuration information, and another one is show HBA underscore file. This file contains post-based authentication information like what IP to be connected and which IPs we don't want to allow connect to the PostgreSQL server. That information configured in this file. Then show data directory. See, this is the data directory, and the same way if you want to find the log directory, just replace this data with log. See, this is the log directory. Okay, so until now we have connected to PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. We can also connect to PostgreSQL server by using dbeaver. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PostgreSQL 17.2 on Fedora Linux 41. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.